Hello guys, welcome to back to our series on commonly asked programming questions. So today we are going to explain our next question, that is program to find whether a number is power of 2 or not. So guys, let's see what the question is. So we have to find we have given a number and we have to find whether a given number is a power of 2 or not, right? Suppose we have a given number 64, then we have to check whether 64 is the power of 2 or not. So we can see that 2 power 66 is equal to 64. Yes, so yes, 64 is a power of 2. So basically we have to check whether the given number can be converted to a power of 2 or not. Okay, so this is our question. So now let's see how we can solve this question. So one method is using a logarithmic concept. We can use mathematical concept, that is logarithm. Okay, so in this we will just take a log of the number with base 2, and if we get an integer number, okay, after taking a log of a number base 2, and if we are getting an integer number, then that is the power of 2. This is a simple mathematical concept of log, right? So this is our logic. I have also, we have seen that it is mentioned here that here we use a mathematical concept of logarithm. The most simple method for finding whether a number is power of 2 or not is to simply take the log of the number. Okay, we are just taking the log of the number to the base 2, and if you get an integer, then the number is power of 2, right? This is one method. Another approach you can go is just by dividing the number by 2 till we get 1, right, at the output, or at the end we get a 0 as a remainder, dividing the number by 2 and continuously recursively dividing the number by 2, and at the end you get something. So this is another way. So one method is using logarithmic, or other method is that division method, right? So here we are using the log method. Okay, so here you can see the algorithm that take integer variable, right, then taking the log of the number with base 2. If outcome is integer, then display number is a power of 2, and otherwise display number is not a power of 2. So this is our concept. Okay, so here you can find the solution in various programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, PHP. So I'm going to explain the code in C programming language in the online compiler. So I'm copying this code and I will paste this code here. Okay, so you can see this is our code for C programming language for checking the number is power of 2 or not. Okay, so let me explain you the code. So here is our main function, and here is our, we have created one function which checks whether the given number is power of 2 or not. Okay, so here is main program. We have defined a number 256, number which is need to be checked, right? So 256, we are going to check 256. Okay, so here we call the function find power of 2. So let's check what the function is. Function is returning a bool value. Okay, so this is our function, right? If number is 0, suppose an input number is 0, then we have to write false, right? Then that is not a power of 2, right? Okay, so that case is resolved. Now what we are doing is return, if it is not 0, then what we are doing is return ceil log of 2. As I have mentioned that we are using the concept of log here, so we are just taking the log. Okay, log of the number, right, base 2 with base 2, that is required. That is, you have to understand, we are using base 2 because we are checking the power of 2, right? So if you want to check the power of 3, then you can change the base 3, right? So here we are using base 2. Okay, so log of a number base 2, right? So this is, we have checked, and we, what our condition is, if we get an integer number, then it is a power of 2, right? So but here how we are going to check the number is a integer or not? So here we used a concept like ceil and floor. Ceil is return the, if a number is having the decimal value also, then it will round off to the next higher value, and floor just do the reverse, it will round off to the lower integer value. Okay, so if we get an integer number, then both ceil and floor of that is same. Okay, so if this ceil and floor function of the log2 number base 2 is same, then we can say it is an integer number, right? Otherwise it will give different values. Suppose you have 5.6. okay, so ceil value is 6 and floor value is 4, right? So 5, sorry, 5.6, right? So seal value is 6 and floor value will be 5, so it will not match, it is not an integer. And if you have get log2 num as 5, then seal function will also return 5 and floor function will also return 5, so it is an integer number, so this condition will return true. Okay, if we get integer number. So this is a concept we have used to find whether a number is integer or not. Okay, so it will return true if it is a power of 2, otherwise it will false. Okay, so now let's see, here we have used tertiary operator. So here if it is true, it will return bool function. If it's true, then this printf will work, otherwise this printf will work. Okay, so let's try to execute that code for a number 256. Yeah, as you can see, 256 is the power of 2. Now suppose we have 1024, right? So let's check whether 1024 is the power of 2 or not. Yes, it's the power of 2. Now randomly check some number which is not a power of 2, that let's say 550, which is not a power of 2. So 550 is not a power of 2. So this is our code, and it is working fine, and I hope you understand the concept. You can also find the code from here. I will share the link to this article in the description section, so you can easily find the code. Okay, so here you will find the solution in various programming languages. I hope you understand the code, and kindly don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks a lot.